Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and nothing makes me happier than being able to utilize all the space in my closet. So that's why I really was happy to find this ANWBROAD 6-cube organizer. What's really nice about this organizer is that you can make it into a multiple of different types of shape depending on the look that you're trying to achieve. You can do a staircase, or you can do what I did, which is the typical 6-cube side-by-side style. I have a very small closet, but like a lot of closets, there are shelves and then a lot of space left over up to the ceiling. So I really loved these because they fit just right on the shelf, in the nook. You can just order these little fabric cubes, stick whatever things you need. I like to have a dedicated cube to that. So that's what makes this really nice. It's up above, it's out of the way, and then there's still space between the item and the ceiling so I can put some more stuff. It is very useful. It's easy to put together. I like it a lot. It is so well made. It's affordable. It definitely gets the job done. I think if you're someone who loves to be organized and have a place for everything, and you love using all the space that is available to you, this is a great find. You can have it on the floor, you can have it on a shelf. I think it's a great thing to have in your closet or anywhere in your home. And that's my point of view.